Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Cinema HD app not working. Now it's a very easy fix. So there are a few steps that you can follow. The first step is just simply go to your App Store or Play Store and then just simply see if you have an update for the app or not. So if you have any update, just simply update the application and see if it fixed the problem or not. So even after the update, if the application is still not working, the next thing that you can try is clear the cache file of that application. So it's a very easy process again. Hold your application, then go to app info, and right over here you will have an option of clear data. Choose the option and then just simply click on clear cache, then click on OK, and then just simply reset the application and see if it works or not. And if any case, if it's still not working, the only option left for you to do is completely uninstall the application. So go to the app info and uninstall the application entirely and then reinstall the application, and that will definitely fix the problem. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.